So if you want to get more organized using Google Tasks in 2026, yeah, subtasks are one of the most underrated features. They turn big, messy tasks into simple step-by-step actions you can actually finish. First, open any main task you want to break down. This should be something big that has multiple steps inside it. Now, look for the option to add subtasks. Start by adding the first small step that needs to be completed. Next, keep breaking the main task into smaller actions. Each subtask should be simple enough that you can finish it quickly without overthinking. Now, organize your subtasks in the right order. Just drag them around so the most important or logical step comes first. If some steps need deadlines, you can add due dates to individual subtasks or the main task to stay on track. As you finish each subtask, check it off. This helps you see progress clearly and keeps you motivated to finish the whole task. Finally, keep your subtasks simple. If something feels too big again, break it down further instead of letting it stay overwhelming. And that's it. Once you start using subtasks properly in Google Tasks, even your biggest projects feel way more manageable.